Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Griffin is a small village located in southeastern Saskatchewan, not far from the border with Manitoba, with a population of just a few hundred people. The village was established in the early 20th century during a period when settlers were moving into southern Saskatchewan to farm the land. Like many communities in this region, Griffin developed alongside the expansion of the railway. The arrival of rail lines made it possible to transport grain and supplies, helping small settlements grow into organized communities with schools, churches, and local businesses. In those early years, Griffin served as a local service center for nearby farms. Grain elevators once stood as key landmarks, where farmers brought their harvest to be shipped across the country and beyond. While many of these structures have disappeared over time, their role in shaping the town's identity remains an important part of its history. Agriculture has always been the backbone of Griffin's economy. The surrounding fields produce crops such as wheat, canola, barley, and other grains that are central to Saskatchewan's role as one of Canada's leading agricultural provinces. Farming here depends on both the rich prairie soil and the often unpredictable climate, with long winters and warm, dry summers shaping the yearly cycle of work. The landscape around Griffin is typical of the southeastern prairies, mostly flat with gentle rolling areas and open skies that seem to stretch forever. This part of Saskatchewan is known for its wide horizons and big skies, where sunrises and sunsets can be especially striking. The simplicity of the land is part of its appeal, offering a sense of space and quiet that is hard to find in more crowded regions. Over the decades, the population of Griffin has gradually declined, a trend seen in many small rural communities across the prairies. Mechanization in agriculture and changing economic conditions have reduced the need for large numbers of workers, leading some residents to move to larger towns and cities. Despite this, those who remain continue to maintain a strong sense of local identity and pride in their community. Nearby communities provide additional services, while Griffin contributes to the agricultural output and cultural fabric of the area. This interconnectedness is a defining feature of rural Saskatchewan, where distances can be large but communities remain closely linked. Historically, the area around Griffin was part of the traditional territory of Indigenous peoples who lived on and moved across the plains long before European settlement. Their deep connection to the land is an important part of the region's story, even if much of that history is not always visible today. Today, Griffin stands as a reminder of Saskatchewan's rural heritage. It represents a way of life built on agriculture, resilience, and community. While it may be small in size, its history and character reflect the broader story of settlement and development across the Canadian prairies. Thanks for watching!